Right, let's see if I can get this on video. Okay, right, this isn't a teaching video. This is me sharing, okay? I'm not teaching, okay? I'm sharing, right? Because I've made another video on this, and what I'm talking about is tongue switching, right? So, you know, right, is a bit of a precursor. What some people might do is tongue blocking, but then pucker R1. There's nothing wrong with that. But then for me, I just wanted to be able to do I wanted to tongue switch, so hold 2, draw. I'm taking the air out of there. I'm blocking hole 1 with my tongue. Then when you switch, now hole 1 draw is there, and the tongue is blocking hole 2. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, what I would like to do is now switch, not just for hole 1, but hole 2, and even further up. So so because I'm used to tongue blocking holes 1, 2 and 3, and then drawing on the 4, like that. Okay, this side is weaker, so if I try and just go, well, that was hole 1, that sounded alright actually. Say I want to go straight to hole 2. See, I haven't got the same sort of confidence. Now hole 2, the other side. Hole 2 on that side. It's not the same sort of confidence, but and that's obviously not musical. Major scale, tongue switching, hole 1 and 2. That's part of the major scale. Hole 1 blow, hole 1 draw. Switch to the 2. Tongue's gone over that side. I'm now blow 2. Draw a hole. I think there's a whole step then. And then unbend on hole 2. Whole of the major scale is yeah. So this is a good exercise for well, I think it is a good exercise for that tongue switching, because what I would like to be able to do is play clean note, not just on hole 1, that's blow 1, but I would like to be able to just jump to the hole 2. Because of the process of harmonica, as we understand it, most people in the community, is you get a harmonica and you learn to play single notes. You learn something like the major scale, you learn songs and stuff like that. But the aim is the single note. So as I just proved, right, with my tongue on the opposite side, it's not automatic, it's not instant that you're just going to be able to, and I can't do single note on the hole 2. Look, that's what hole 1. That weren't too bad actually. See, it's an adjustment. Partly because if I'm tongue blocking, say I'm covering holes 1, 2 and 3, and I want to go up to hole 6, I'm dragging my tongue. But I've noticed if I'm tongue blocking the other side, I'm now pushing my tongue. I'm sort of going against it. So let's try. So this is what I've been trying today. This is what I said, where I'm not teaching. I'm sharing my progress. And if you're in that same sort of area, then this might be helpful. The point of my videos are to show not so much progress, but the process that I've either been through or something that I'm going through, because I've got the experience to know, right, that here it's a messy ball of dirty notes and a bit of bleeding, but next week it's going to be stronger and better, and I know that if I practice and I stick with it, I know it's going to get there. So I'm saying to you, you stick with it, you're going to get there, right? So the exercise, a good exercise for hole 2 for this, for me anyway, this is my opinion, is that the beginning of the major scale. First of all, get just single note, and also to think, right, let's do it normal, 2 hole draw. What's my tongue? Where's my tongue? It's sort of like the tip is just underneath there a little bit, sort of feeling it, because in a second I'm going to be moving my tongue facing the other way. And this is the process of feeling and adjusting. Major scale. Da, 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 da. There's your bend. So I am bending now on using the tongue blocking on the opposite side to what I normally would. Yeah, listen now. Now I'm going to block hole 1, and I'm going to draw and bend hole 2. Right, now I'm going to switch. Clean hole 1. And I knew I weren't going to get the bend then, because my tongue was just, it weren't, I knew it. See, this is all about the embouchure. If the embouchure is not like sealed, then you're going to get bubbly, escape, leakage. See, and this isn't a try harder exercise. I'm pulling the air using my belly, my diaphragm, and it's slightly different for me. If you have never, right, so my journey, I can only speak about my journey. I can't give my opinion on your journey or anyone else's. Right, I started out puckering, okay, to the point where I was able to start bending. Not so much just start a little bit, but I could bend a little bit. Following Adam Gusso's videos, I could play some shuffles and things with some bends in. With the pucker, I was always fighting against tension. And say I got 10 minutes of practice, I had to sort of go, oh, just relax, yawn. They tell you to yawn, open your mouth, get it in, fat lips and all that. So I would spend 2 minutes just breaking through the tension. And then, my first mentor, Ian Boyle, said, well, he did learn tongue blocking through bluesharmonica.com, Dave Barrett, and so I went and joined that, and I went through, you watch this guy do, he's basically having a lesson on video. They're both in the same room, Dave Barrett and this bloke, and he's being taught a song. You print the song out and you follow what they're doing, and you can watch it over and over, and and that's my experience. And through the process that I've just been showing you, in a sense, over time the tension starts to leave. Trying to do 10 things at once sort of like dissipates to the point where you're then only doing 3 things at once, which ends up bad. But like driving, and the embouchure sort of become my friend, because and now is the most tongue blocking in general is very relaxed. Now I'm using totally wrong hand. I normally use this hand. Go back to the exercise that I'm talking about. 2-hole draw, using my tongue on the opposite side. Yeah, it will come. This is the process. But go back, single note, hole 1. See, so that's the encouragement. There's the bend there. Like, I'm better at it now. And this end, right, oh, just keep trying to make them noises, and there's no musical context. I'm doing Tomlin's harmonica school, and in it there is songs and licks that are applicable with this. But before you can play a song using a tongue, a floppy bit of a numb tongue, you need to get a bit stronger there. So wrong side again. It's not wrong, but to me. What I don't want to do here is practice the wrong thing. So obviously off camera, I'll be trying to get the right bend, not my normal way. The switch way. Yeah, that's my normal way of bending, but my tongue was on the other side. There I was using, if you watch the video, the difference there, that one that I just did was the bend that I want to get, right? And I'm not here. I'm not talking bend, really. I'm talking about just in general, having a more relaxed embouchure, a sealed embouchure, a confident embouchure. I'm talking about the bend that happened by the use of the air, the diaphragm, the sealed embouchure, and the tongue that was relaxed coming back, and it did the job, right? This is why I just told you about my journey. So, like, if you're a beginner, and you want to learn how to tongue block, then I'm not saying don't watch my videos, but don't use me as a teacher. It might be a bit like you're looking for free material, and you've watched all the rest, and you just watch my video as well, maybe, and there might be something in there that goes, yeah, do you know what, if this guy can do it, I can do it. It's the journey that I'm sharing. Yeah. See, your posture also, posture sometimes can mean everything. So if I'm doing this, it's a big difference to doing this. Sometimes there's a big difference for me. If I'm doing it, sometimes there's a big difference to this. Yeah, so it's posture. If I'm sat there, so posture. So now I'm listening to what I'm doing, and I'm feeling what is my tongue doing. I'm listening. What I'm trying to do there, I might be trying too hard, is attack the bend. Because my tongue is on that side, because the most I do on that side is whole one. So the most I've ever done is like single note on a whole one. Yeah, maybe even a bit of a bend. Maybe a bend, yeah. But I haven't used that a lot. So my tongue in that way is not strengthened, yeah. So this is a process. 3 or 4 minutes, 10 minutes of this a day, and it will get stronger. Listening, feeling. And guess what? Maybe, just maybe, not 100% sure yet, I might get to a stage where I get the whole 2 bend half step, and then I get the whole step on that side. And you know what? Gradually I might go even further and get the free. Get all the bends on the free. You know, am I going to live long enough? I don't know. But this is the process. This is the process. This is the dedication. So. That was tongue switching up only on hole 1. Yeah, so when I get to 2, I don't know, so I don't know, just hole 1 and 2 there. Hole 2, here. 1, 1. So one thing that I have realized is, see over this side, my normal side, big mouth. So because I'm relaxed, and here there's more strength. It's actually, I'm not sure if it's entirely my tongue that I'm training right now. I think more has to do with this. Yeah, here is sort of strong around the harmonica. Strong, yeah, because I've used it a lot. This. And you got to be careful that you're not letting in the top end like a split, an octave thing. So what I've realised here is, and plus because it's C harmonica, try and keep my mouth a bit more closed. See, a minute ago, earlier, I went, wow, look, there you go, that was the one, that's the one. This is a process. I might not get it again until tomorrow. Right? Musically, I can do it on normal side. It don't matter really, but just for my own little bit of fun, I want to get it on both sides. I want to be ambidextrous. That was switching. That was it. That's more like. So, like many of the good teachers say, is record yourself doing it, because when you wake up in the morning, you probably won't be able to do it. So if you've got a recording of you doing it, then tomorrow you can watch yourself, listen to yourself, do it on video, go, that's what I need to do. Say you got it. If you got it, you got it, you get it, you got it. Do it a few times on a recording. For me, it's slightly different because I know what sound I'm going for. And that was my journey. My journey was I could bend puckering. So then when it comes to tongue blocking, I then knew roughly what sound I was going for. So that's why I say, if you're a complete beginner, go and watch Dave Barrett. Yeah. But if you're like, I can't afford lessons, maybe watch my video as well as some of the others, all the good guys. Go and watch them. Don't just take my stuff. Right? There's not enough here to teach you. Anything I've learned, it's come from the community. I'll repeat that. Anything good that I have learned has come from the whole community. There you go. Hole 1 and 2 for Arizaka. There's a bend there, probably. Right, I'm going to stop it there because I could just keep going on. And the point is, don't bother. Don't bother keep going on, pick it up again tomorrow, see what happens, and you get there. I hope my videos encourage you in some way, shape, or form. Give me some feedback. If they help, if they don't, then don't watch them. That's it's quite simple, really. Happy harping. Enjoy the journey. This thing, it's very therapeutic, very good for mental health. Zydell, Session Steel, they sometimes in the groups they get pardon me, they get a bit of slack, if that's the right wording. They get a hard time. They often need gapping. See there, Hona sticker, priceless. I get it out of my pocket, and I know I feel where the sticker is a bump, yeah. And I know, bang, that. I rarely do this because of those stickers. They're great, awesome. Hona, glow in the dark. I've never seen them glow in the dark. They would, I'm sure they do. They do. It says they do, but that's not why. They help me to know which end of the harmonica. There you go. Happy harping. Come join us, harmonica enthusiasts. God bless.